Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create blogs using Blogger. So if you wanted to make a blog, then there is a new tool or a new workspace that you can basically use to create and publish your blog. And for this I will use this www.blogger.com, and for the content I will use chat gpt. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up this website, which is www.blogger.com, and then you will basically have to sign in or sign up. So you will just tap on this sign in option here, and then we have to create an account first of all. So I will just choose my Google account here, so I will just choose this account here, and we will basically sign in. Okay. So when you sign in, basically it will ask you to choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So I will just choose this one. So my blog will be on gaming. So you can choose the name according to the content type that you will make. Okay, so I will make contents about games. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just type here like uh, Noman games info. Okay, and then I will just tap on next, and now choose a URL for your blog. This web address is how people will basically find your blog. Okay, so this is the address of your blog that they will type in the search bar, and then your blog will be appear. So I will just type here Noman games info dot blogspot. So this is okay available, and I will just tap on this next here, and then this is the display name. How do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? Okay, so what we will just type here, I like Noman games info, and then I will tap on finish here, and now it will process and it will just loads up for us. So now here you can see that this is the dashboard that we basically wanted to show you. Now here we have posts, stats, comments, and basically this is the earning page as well. So I will just come to this page here later. So in order to start writing a blog, you will just click on this option where it says new post. Okay, so just click on this one, and this will open up this page here. So right now, and at the top we have basically all the tools that we need. This is the font size, font type here, redo, undo, and then we have paragraph, bullets, and italics, underline, strike through, text color, and every font. Basically image, we can insert image, insert link, video, emojis, special characters, and these are the alignments and every tool that we have. Okay, so now it's time to like make our content here. So I will just ask gpt. I will use the help of chat gpt here. So I will just type here, write SEO optimized uh, blog post with good intro and outro on top 5 f top 5 PC FPS single player games of 2022. So write SEO optimized blog post with good intro and outro on top 5 PC FPS single player games of 2022, and I will just tap on enter, and it will basically write a blog post for me about this question, like on top 5 PC FPS single player games of 2022. So the title is this one: unleashing the top 5 PC FPS single player games, get ready for the epic adventures. Introduction. So we have the introduction here, and then the outro here. Okay, so I don't know that why it's not. So we will just regenerate this process here. So okay, I think there is a problem with my question here, so I will just ask the question here again on. So I will just ask the question again. So I'll just copy this here and I will refresh this page here, and I will just, I think there is a problem with my question. Okay, so that's not a problem, just ask it again here. So number one is in infiltration, and now it will basically write all the full the blog post, which is the SEO optimized blog post. Okay, so you what is SEO optimized, that you don't have to like do its search engine optimization by yourself. If you just type in here SEO, the chat GPT will write in that manner that it is SEO optimized already. So then we have the conclusion. So what I will do here, I will just copy this text from here. So this is the title here basically, so I'll just copy it, and this is the title that we wanted to post. Okay, and then we have this, and then what we will do here, I will just paste the introduction and all of the things that we have here. So just, so this is just to give you an basically idea, and then we will just paste it here. Okay, so here you can see that we have this black looking background here. So we can basically, what we can do here, we can just open up notepad here, just type the text here and copy the text from here and paste the text here. So now you can see that the black background is gone. Okay, so now we have introduction, and for the introduction we will just if you want, you can just use this. So we will make the introduction bold and maybe a little bit bigger, so on medium, or we can set to large. Then we have the first game here, so make it this. Then we have the second game here, and then we have the third game here, and then we have the fourth game, and then we have the fifth game, and in the end we will have conclusion, and we will just make it large. Now this is for the text part. Now if you wanted to basically add an image here, so what you will basically do is that, let's suppose that I wanted to add the image of this game here. So I will just tap on the image option here. So first of all I will download the image. Okay, so infiltration shadows revenge. So infiltration shadows revenge game. So I will just get its image here. Okay, so this is the image. So let's suppose that if you wanted to use this image, I will just open up this image, and I will just, okay, or I can use this image here, and I will just download this image, save image here, and I will just download this image to desktop, and I will go back here and tap on the image option here, insert image. So you can either upload from computer, photos, blogger, or by URL as well. So if you want, you can add the image by URL as well. Okay, so I will just upload it from computer here, and then what I will do here is I will just choose files, and then I will choose this image, and then server rejected, I don't know why. Okay, so we just have JPEG or GIF or PNG files. Okay, so we can use this image, just save this image and make sure that it's PNG, so it will not make any kind of problem. So I'll just choose files and then choose this file here, and now you can see that the image is uploaded. So we just have to wait, and then we will tap on select here, and now you can see that the image is uploaded. Now we have multiple options here. We can just make it a little stretchable and little like this one here, and now you can do all of for this as well. And now if you wanted to add video here, what you will do here is you will just tap on the video icon, and you can either upload it from computer or you can import it from YouTube as well. So what I will do here, I will just open up YouTube here, and what is the name of game is Neon Nexus. Okay, so what I will type here is Neon Nexus gameplay. Okay, so Neon Nexus gameplay, or we can just choose another Eternal Echoes. Eternal Echoes gameplay. So now let's suppose that if I wanted to add this video here, I will just copy its link here, like copy link address here, and I will just tap on YouTube here, and then I will just paste the link here basically. So I will just paste the link here maybe, and it shows me the video. Select this video, select this one, and the video is added here. So you can just make this large like this one, and now what it will do, it when the person that is reading your blog, when they will click on this one, they will be redirected to YouTube onto this video. Okay, so this is how to basically like create a content for your blog. Okay, and with the help of chat GPT, it becomes very easy right now. Okay, so once you are done with your blog post, what you can do here, you can just tap on this preview option, and it will gives you the preview of your blog post. Okay, so this is how your blog post will look like. Okay, so this here you can actually add your profile image. This is your name, and then this is again your name, then this is the title, the date it's showing, and then introduction, and then this is uh, the text that you have added. Okay, so this is just the preview here. Okay, and once you are done, what you will do here, you will tap on publish here, and then your post will gets published. And now uh, this shows how many views you get, this shows how many shares, how many comments you get, and if you wanted to delete, you can basically delete this post. And the next thing, that how you can basically make money with your blog post. Okay, so what Google will do here, Google will put ads in your blogs, and you can make money through those ads. But to start making money, you will click on this earnings option here, and then you have to basically create and connect your Google AdSense account with the blogger.com. Okay, so the Google AdSense is a service that basically pays you through Google Ads. Okay, so you have to make a Google AdSense account, and then you will have to connect that account with your blogger.com here. Okay, so that's how you will be basically you will get money, or you will earn from blogger.com. So that's it, guys. That is the beginners tutorials on how to create blog using blogger.com. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.